This is quite a hot summer, and the birds need some nesting materials plus bird house. So I find that there has been one man-made, but it's not sufficient for so many birds for whom this is the Prajanan Vakt, or what is called the breeding season, and not many birds are coming for making their nest. So I thought why not to take use of those, packets where we can find some materials for them. So, for example, I have this one, the one that I got from the delivery of some materials. So I find here this can be made into a kind of the birdhouse, although temporarily, but this can work for at least for the breeding season. So I take it like this, and this can be made into two sides to have the opening. And if this is cut, this will give the opening feature. We stop it here. This needs to be done. This one over here. This one. And that